Hi, this is Down Under Monkey, and today I'm going to show you these locks. Probably pick them if I can. They're Viro brand, or Viro, depending on how you say it. There's a 3-pin and a 5-pin. Now these are a good quality little lock. Now the reason there's a 3-pin and a 5-pin, these come out of an electric lock. This is a manual override for it. So one side of the casing is very shallow, that's why there's a 3-pin. And the other side of the casing is fairly deep, so that's why you can have a 5-pin and a 3-pin. And fitting's not terrible, it's not great, but it is what it is. Okay, let's put the little one in the vise first and have a crack at picking that. Shouldn't take long, it's only 3 pins. Famous last words. 1.2mm tension bar fits perfectly in the top. You have full control. Let's give it a go. Oh, I'm using it to pen a lockout buster. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, I like it because it fits down the bottom and gives you good leverage on the pins. Okay, so 2 just put it into a false set. Let's go back to 1, give that a nudge, see what it's doing. Nothing. 2, bit of counter rotation on 2, and it's open. Well, that was pretty painless. Okay. So let's get the 5-pin up here. Let's see how that one works. Now, picking these before, well, not these, but I have picked Viros before. They do normally have some spools, which is good. They're a great little practice lock. There's not a lot of room in there, so to speak. I mean, this fits in there, but it's still reasonably tight in there. So let's give this one a go. Not much going on. Oh, I think 4 just put it into a false set. Bit of counter on 5. I'll leave that for a sec. I kind of lost it. I think I might have overset too. Oop, got the false set back. A mate of mine was giving me tips once about false sets and spools, and he said if you can get a lock into a false set, basically show's over. That lock's going to open eventually. Now, he's right to a degree, but I've got some into false sets, overset the crap out of the pins, and still didn't get an open. Oh, and there we go. So pretty much once you can get a lock into a false set, it communicates a lot better with what's going on inside. Now, I don't really see much point in gutting the 3-pin, but we might gut this 5-pin. Okay, so I'm going to lock it back up for now, because I do have the key. Still works. Going to pop off this circlip at the back. I will put a new one on here later. So I'll just maul this one off. Oh, circlips seem to be the bane of everyone's existence. Yes, there's tools out there you can use, but that's no fun. You're supposed to struggle on camera, right? Just try and wedge this little tacker out of here without stabbing myself. it's off. Cool. Key in. Now we have to follow. Now everyone's going to have a bit of a meltdown. I do not have shims at the moment. They are on their way, but they are not here yet. So I'm just going to whip the key out. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. Quite a long key pin actually, number 1. I love it when they just fall out and turn themselves around. You don't have to bother spinning it around. Alright, I'll give you a close-up of these after. Now, where are they? Gonna pull this back through this way. Number 1 was a spool. Number 2 was a spool. They're really neat looking little spools too. Number 3 was a spool. Number 4 was a spool. And number 5 fell out, of course. Number 5 was a spool as well. And the springs are quite interesting little ones too. Oh, I can't even pick it up. Give me that thing. Oh god, it's all over the place. 2 fingers sometimes work quicker than tweezers. Okay. The light just flicked off. You turn back on. Okay. So inside the core, nothing special. There's no milling or anything. None there either. That keeps turning off, so I might just leave it as it is. There's plenty of light here. Okay, so you can see a nice little spool. The light's just being a turd. There we go. So little tiny spools, neat little things. It's going everywhere again. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that video. There's plenty more to come. I'm just battling with this light at the moment.